So these three are just like the examples I did. Two of these are similar. You got to find which two. So it looks like it's these two. So if we checked, this is the longest side, this is the longest side. Another way you can check is you could just divide them and make them a decimal. 7.5 divided by 5 is 1.5. And then divide the other ones. 4.5 divided by 3 is also 1.5. And 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. So it's these two. So the similarity statement then is triangle M and P is similar to QRS. Now, they don't just want that, they also want the scale factor. 1.5, yep. You could write it as a decimal or as what the fraction is. 6 to 4 would work because you don't need to reduce them. Or you could reduce it, you could add 3 halves. The one thing you can't do on a scale factor is have a decimal in. 4.5 over 3 is the same as these. It's just you can't write a fraction with a decimal. So you either got to write it just as a decimal or just a fraction. Okay? So these two are done the same way. Here also, are they similar? If it's no, you just put no and you're done. If it is, you got to state the similarity and the postulate. So when we check this, 10 to 35 and 10 to 35 are the same. But we got to figure out, is it the same as 8 to 28? Well, 10 to 35 reduces to 2/7. 8 to 28, you can divide them both by 4 and you'd get 2/7. So, all 3 sides are the same proportion. So that means the similarity statement is triangle LJK is similar to triangle ZXY. And then you also got to say Y. AAA, SAS, or AA? SSS. Because the 3 sides were proportional. So remember, if it's no, you just put no. Now I just want to point out, when you get down to here, if you're looking for a side, you got to write a proportion. Like FC is here. You'd call that X or whatever to 4. And you can use any numbers. I would use 9 to 3 for everything, because this corresponds to that. So I can use 9 and 3 for all the proportions. Okay? Angles, corresponding angles are congruent.